Hi guys, we're going on a trip! Yay! Hi guys, welcome to another episode of the Traveling Hobbit. I'm Neil and this is Bishop.
Hi guys!
And we're off to the airport and we're just about to go to Florida. Woohoo! Woohoo! So fun times again! Yay! So anyway guys, if you're new here, make sure you press the subscribe button below, like, comment and share, and comment something back, and press the bell as well so you can see my videos every week guys, okay? So on our way to the airport, let's go. We're going to be meeting up with
My family.
Bishop's family, and we're about 7 of us going.
Yep.
And yeah, should be fun. So let's see and have a look later, okay? Check out guys. Hi guys, we just arrived in Orlando. Yay!
We swapped sides. I'm on the wrong side of the car.
He's on the wrong side of the car again. Yay! And we got a pickup truck, which is cool. We didn't really pay extra for this, but yeah, we were quite surprised we got a pickup truck.
Yep.
Woohoo!
Bit of extra height. It's cool.
Yeah, so we're going to be going to our accommodation, which is Regal Palms in Davenport.
Yep.
We're just going to check in there and get our rooms. It's sunny, it's about 35 degrees Celsius, so it's really hot and muggy, but yeah, I mean, we have to enjoy it really. So it's pretty, so I'll see you later guys, okay? So we just arrived yesterday evening. We haven't had any sleep at all.
Yeah.
I think it's about 2 to 3 hours of sleep, but we're buzzing at the moment. But yeah, today we're going to be going shopping. We're going to be going to the outlet stores, check around what's in there really, if there's a sale or whatever. But yeah, it's really good over here. It's about 30 to 35 degrees Celsius over here. And nice and sunny. We're wearing shorts and shirts, so which is good. Unlike when we were in London, we're wearing jackets and everything like that. But if you're new here guys, make sure you press the subscribe button below, like, comment and share, and comment something back, and press the bell as well so you can see our videos every week guys, okay? So stick around and let's go shopping. Woo! So we just arrived, and yeah, let's go.
I didn't kill us. We drove safely.
Yeah, I'm still alive.
Damn
So,
it.
yeah, let's check it out, this guys, okay? I wish I'm like that. Hi guys, we're still here, and we bought lots of stuff. Now, I bought lots of stuff. I bought 2 pairs of shoes already. Bloody hell!
We've only been shopping for an hour.
Yeah, for an hour. So that's really good. So we're still going to some more outlet stores over here and then see what they have there. So I'll see you soon, shortly. If only I could jump on that lake. It's bloody hot here. It's about 35 degrees now, I think, and it's 12:15 p.m. Let's go. So we're just going to have lunch.
Yep.
Maybe at the food court. I'm cheap as like that, really.
He is.
I'm that cheap.
Cheap day.
I'm a cheap date, yeah. So I'll see you later, guys. Hi guys, we are just driving, going home. We're done with the shopping and we got loads of huge discounts and sales, which is good. Yeah, we're just about to drive home, and I'll catch you up shortly, okay guys? Hi guys, so we are in our villa this morning. So it's a bit, yesterday we were really tired to do the video actually. So what we did is to sleep early and then wake up this morning. So I'll show you around the house. So this is the front of the house. It's quite big actually. And then our rented car is a pickup truck, which is really cool, and it gives Bishop a height as well when sitting down, so it's not too bad for him. So come around guys, okay? This is the villa itself, the inside of it, okay? So we're 30-40, and this is the inside of it. I hope you can see me. So this is the kitchen right here. So there you go. Hi Bishop, there you go. Bishop is just sorting out our groceries. And this is the living room right here. So as you can see, it's a quite an airy living room right here. We have also a patio outside, and it's nice for barbecues. I think we have a barbecue grill somewhere here, but that's the outside, so that's not too bad. We're going upstairs, so I'll show you what upstairs right here. So yeah, that's it. So we have about 3 rooms over here, okay? They're all kind of like accommodate like a double bed rooms as well. So this is the room right here. That's an ensuite room. This is the toilet right here. As you can see, all nice and clean. This is the room over here. This is our room. It's a bit dirty. And this is another room right here, okay? So yeah, that's all we have at the moment. We have a laundry room right here as well. Laundry corner, and a dryer. So yeah, all in this villa. It's quite nice actually. So yeah, I'll catch up with you soon guys, okay? So that's it for today's episode guys. Make sure you press the subscribe button below, like, comment and share, and comment something back, and press the bell as well so you can see our videos every week guys, okay? So from all of us here on our first day in Orlando, Florida, just remember guys, create happy memories and always keep smiling. I'll see you soon. Bye.